Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. So in today's video, we're headed to 4 different stores, to Target, Michael's, Dollar Tree, and to Hobby Lobby to see what is new and out for Valentine's Day, which I'm so excited for. You guys know that I love anything with hearts and flowers and anything that glitters, so I'm really excited to see what is out and new this year. Oh, and I'm also going to be making a really cute rose DIY, which I'm so excited for. It's so easy, it's very quick and very affordable, so I'm excited to make that, and I hope you guys make it too. And if you do, please leave me a comment, leave me a picture, send me a DM on Instagram, let me know. I love seeing when you guys recreate anything that I make. So I'm gonna grab my coat, grab my mittens and my scarf because it's freezing outside, and Bae should be here soon. We're going together, I'm so excited. And yeah, let's hit up these stores, see what they have, gather our supplies for our DIY. I'm excited. I hope you guys are too. So I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please thumbs it up. If you aren't subscribed already, please consider subscribing and joining our YouTube fam. We would love to have you. And turn post notifications on so you never miss one of my uploads. And let's go. So of course, Target was our first spot. I love me some Target dollar spot. There's literally everything. I actually bought this little set that says give me some sugar, and I love it. I actually need to put that out in my kitchen probably after this video. It's so fun. I love seeing what they have for every single holiday. There's something for everyone of all ages in like every area of your house, and everything is so affordable. And there's literally so many things right here on their Target dollar spot that's from like $1 to like $5 or $6. It's amazing, and I go way more often than I probably should.
What? What?
Okay, we are now in the Dollar Tree. There's so many cute things. Let's look around. Hey, Polly. You're a fine apple.
Oh my gosh.
Let's flamingo.
Ooh.
What do you say?
I'm in. I'm in.
So the Dollar Tree is another store that I like to pop in and out of every once in a while. They always have a really good big selection for any kind of holiday, and they're really good for craft supplies too. How cute is this card? Be mine, Meowentine. I thought that was so cute. They have a huge selection of candy, a ton of party supplies for little kids, a ton of just little like random Valentines, and this little flower was so cute, and the glass flower that I show here in a second, this right here, like how precious would that be to give to someone? And can you believe that something like this is only $1? Everything in the Dollar Tree is only $1, and I've always said this, but I love the Dollar Tree, but some things are hit or miss. But honestly, everything that I found in their Valentine's Day section is definitely a hit. There are so many good things for only $1. Have I mentioned how much I love this man? He literally never fails to make me laugh nonstop. So this was one of our last clips for In the Dollar Tree, and now, voila, we are at Michael's. It is the next day. We are back in the sunshine. So Michael's is another one of my places to go for arts and crafts. They're a little bit more on the pricey side, but they always have really good sales. They always have things 40% off, and if they aren't 40% off, they always have a coupon that's for something for 40% off. And they have the cutest, most unique things. So many garlands, banners, signs, wreaths, like you name it, they have it. So it's a new day. I finally have everything that I need for my DIY. It's only a few things and everything is so affordable. I'm going to show you right now everything that you need. I will also have everything linked down below. Okay, the first thing that you're gonna need is a heart-shaped wire wreath frame. Next, you'll need a bunch of fake flowers. You can get whatever color and style flower that you want to. I chose white roses, and I have 5 bundles. Next, you'll need any kind of ribbon. I went with sheer ribbon that is a little thicker because I think the sheer will look a little bit more romantic to match the DIY. rather than opaque ribbon, but you can do whatever you desire. And then next you'll need E6000 glue. This is what we're gonna use to glue everything together. Also, whatever you're working on, make sure you put something down to protect your surface. I put a bag down so I don't get glue all over my rug. So we're first gonna start by taking off every single one of these roses right off the stem. It's really easy, they just pop right off just like that. So what we're gonna do is take this E6000 glue, we're going to place it on either side of each rose, and then we're actually going to set the rose in between the track, so it's gonna sit in there like this. So I put the glue around the entire, pretty much on the entire green part of the flower. Okay, so I have the inner layer all filled with roses. Now I'm gonna make my way on the outer layer and fill all of those in. You wanna make sure that from time to time you go around and push these down and secure them onto the wire frame. Okay, so this has been drying for maybe an hour and a half, and I just flipped it over and I added in a ton more E6000 glue. I basically put huge like droplets of E6000 glue over the wire anywhere where it meets the petal. So a big dapple there, a big dapple there. You can kind of like see I did that for every single one just to add in more security and more glue to make sure that these never fall off. Okay, and for some reason my camera deleted this clip, but I did just put a droplet of E6000 glue right here for the sheer ribbon so that I can hang it. So I'm gonna let this dry for a few hours, and then I will come back to it. Okay, it is completely dried now. I have it hung up. Are you guys ready to see this? Oh my gosh, look how cute. I'm honestly really surprised on how this turned out. I didn't think that I was gonna make it very well, but how cute. I'm so happy with how this turned out. And this is something that you can definitely use year round. I know with like the white especially, you can hang this up anywhere as like an all year decor piece. And that is exactly what I will be using it for. This is so cute. If you guys make this, please send me pictures, send me a DM or a comment on Instagram or YouTube, whatever. Just let me know that you made it, send me pictures. I'm curious to see what different color combos you guys use. Everything will be linked down below if you guys want to get your hands on all the supplies. So that's all for this video. I had so much fun going to all the different stores, seeing everything new and making my own DIY. I love making DIYs. You save so much money, you put your own little unique twist on it, and you're just like happy and proud with how it turned out. It's just like so fun. So if you try it, please let me know. Thumbs up this video if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already, and join our YouTube fam. We would love to have you, and turn on your post notifications so you never miss one of my videos. I love you guys, and I will see you in a few days with a brand new video. Love ya. Bye.